How to get to Cajas National Park. From Cuenca, you go to the bus terminal terrestrial and choose a time to leave. It's pretty easy because buses leave every hour. It is a $2 bus ride taking about an hour. You could also get a return ticket and choose the times you want to go back, making it $4 return. Cajas National Park is located in the Ecuadorian Andes west of Cuenca in a province called Azuay. There are about 270 lakes and lagoons, and the altitude of the park reaches up to 4,450 meters. There are 15 hiking trails you could choose, and if you're not sure how to decide, the guy in the information office is able to guide you in your decision. So the national park has got 15 different trails that you could do, so you won't be bored just doing one. Yeah, which is pretty cool. It's free entry. You don't have to pay for entrance, which is the first time I'm traveling in South America not having to pay for any entrance. From Cuenca, it takes about an hour to get to the national park, and yeah, you just go to the information section and fill out your details and choose the route you want to take. 3 hours, 2 hours, an hour. Yeah, it's pretty cool. For this hike, Route 2 was chosen. Oh, alright, it's been about, let's see, started at 1:30 and it is 2:15. 2:15 and almost at the top of the summit. I think we're about 4,200 maybe. But yeah, the route, you can do the route in two ways, either gradually go up or go up and then gradually go down. So I'm walking towards the summit now. I'm very excited. Apparently, according to the signs say it's a difficult route. However, I believe it's fairly average. Yeah, I think beginners can do it. They'll probably take a little bit longer, however, it's very manageable. So yeah, almost there.
Reaching the point called Serra San Luis took 1 hour and 45 minutes, and descending took another 45 minutes.
Okay, just got dropped off at a town called Giron and en route to El Chorro Waterfalls. The sign says about 6 kilometers. See how it goes. The weather is a bit shikes. It's drizzling at the moment. Oh well. It's about an hour in and we're almost there. The only thing that's not really cool about this hike is that we're not really hiking. We're walking on the road, which makes it not really jungly.
And more walking on road. Despite the road walking, Giron made it up with its beautiful views on the way up.
Oh no, it's starting to rain. Woo. Uh-oh. Woohoo! Hola. Buenas tardes. Ay, me toca volver aquí en vez de esto.
After 2 hours and 15 minutes later, we got to the top.
Hey, it's Naros. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on your notification sign.